Assalamualaikum students, Ahmed here. Welcome to the ninth lecture of class 2 English. Today we have to do our essay here. It says my school. Yes, my school. This will be solved on your neat notebooks. Write it on your neat notebooks with proper heading, dates and day, and neat handwriting. Now it says the name of my school is Labs. It is situated in town city. Actually you have to write the name of town and city in this bracket. It has a very vast building. इसकी building बहुत बड़ी है. The name of my school is Labs. मेरे स्कूल का नाम Labs है. It is situated, ये वाक़या है फलां जगह पर. It has very vast building. It has two gates. There are two guards present on each gate all the time. इसके दो गेट हैं. हर गेट पर जो गार्ड्स हैं वो हर वक्त मौजूद रहते हैं. There are two guards present on हर दरवाजे पर दो गार्ड हम वक्त मौजूद रहते हैं. My school has a big playground for students. मेरे स्कूल में एक बड़ा मैदान है बच्चों के खेलने के लिए. It has 20 rooms. इसमें 20 कमरा जमात हैं. All the rooms are airy and well lighted. हर कमरे में बाकायदा रोशनी का और हवा का इंतज़ाम है. यहाँ अच्छा इंतज़ाम है. There are 4 maids for the cleanliness of school. स्कूल में सफाई करने के लिए 4 maids हैं. All teachers are in my school are highly educated. तमाम उस्ताद पढ़े लिखे और तालीम याफ्ता हैं. They help us to learn our lesson. वो हमें अपना I'm sorry the light just went out. So where were we? We were teachers in my school. They are highly educated. They help us to learn our lesson. वो हमें हमारा सबक याद करने में मदद देते हैं. The principal of school is a nice lady. I am proud of Labs. जो स्कूल की हेड मिस्ट्रेस साहिबा हैं वो बहुत अच्छी हैं. मुझे I am proud of Labs. मुझे अपने स्कूल पर फ़ख्र है. Labs पर फ़ख्र है. Until next video. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.